Okay, let's jump right into this explainer. If you're a beginner wanting to nail everyday French actions, waking up, grabbing food, doing chores, enjoying your hobbies, you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to take over 100 practical French phrases and transform them into an interactive, day-in-the-life story. It's kind of like a giant puzzle, and by anchoring these phrases to your actual daily routine, you'll be amazed at how fast it all just clicks.
So here's the agenda for our day. 1. Morning routines or le matin. 2. Eating and drinking, à table. 3. Getting around, en mouvement. 4. Household chores, la maison. 5. Hobbies and sports, loisir. And 6. Evening and sleep, le soir.
Alrighty, Section 1. Le matin, morning routines, starting the day in French.
And our day kicks off right here with Je me réveille tôt. I really want you to say these out loud with me as we go. That active repetition, it is literally the key to locking this in. So repeat after me. Je me réveille tôt. It translates to, I wake up early. Boom, we've started our narrative. If you happen to be an early bird, well, this is your new favorite French sentence.
Now look at how beautifully these two opposite actions contrast right as you start your day. To let that morning air in, you say, J'ouvre la fenêtre. I open the window. But on the flip side, maybe you want some privacy while you get ready. Je ferme la porte. I close the door. Grouping opposites together like this is actually a fantastic little brain trick for much faster language retention.
Moving on to the next logical steps in your routine. First, je me lave les mains, which means I wash my hands. Then, time to get ready for the day. Je m'habille. I get dressed. Tomorrow morning, when you're actually doing these things, try saying the phrases out loud. Connecting your physical movement to the spoken French totally accelerates your learning.
Moving right along to Section 2. À table, eating and drinking, navigating meals in French.
Let's build a quick mini story in the kitchen, okay? See how these actions flow sequentially. Step 1, the overarching task. Je prépare le dîner. I prepare dinner. Step 2, the prep work. Je coupe les légumes. I cut the vegetables. And step 3, je lève les fruits. I wash the fruits. It's not just a list of random words, right? It's literally a step-by-step recipe for talking about your kitchen habits.
Okay, this next part is absolutely crucial. In English, we say, I am thirsty. But in French, it's j'ai soif, which literally translates to I have thirst. Sounds kind of dramatic, I know, but that is exactly how they say it. And once you declare that you have thirst, you've got options to fix it. Je bois de l'eau for I drink water, je bois de lait for I drink milk, or je bois du jus for I drink juice.
All right, here is a rapid-fire menu of dining phrases for you. For the main course, je mange du riz. I eat rice. And j'aime manger les légumes. I like eating vegetables. Plus, j'aime les fruits. I like fruits. Dessert, je mange une glace. I eat an ice cream. And we can't forget the social stuff. Je mange avec ma famille. I eat with my family. And je goûte la soupe. I taste the soup. Take a mental note right now. Which of these apply to your own dining table?
Up next, Section 3. M. Mouvement. Getting around. Navigating the world outside.
Let's feel the difference in pace here. Say them with me. First, je marche lentement. I walk slowly. Now the exact opposite. Je cours vite. I run fast. Again, visualizing these extremes makes the vocabulary so much stickier for your brain.
Grouping your travel methods together is a real game changer. Are you taking a cab? Je prends un taxi. Driving? Je conduis la voiture. Cycling? Je vais à vélo. Or maybe just walking? Je vais à pied. And when you hit an intersection, je traverse la route. I cross the road. Think about it for a second. How do you usually commute based on this list?
Let's head back home for Section 4, La Maison. Household chores. Taking care of your space.
You have to know this anchor verb, faire. It is the absolute foundation for so many chores in French. It means to do or to make. Like, doing the dishes isn't some obscure, unique verb, it's just je fais la vaisselle. I do the dishes. Master faire, and you'll unlock a massive chunk of conversational French.
Let's do a quick, energetic review of cleaning actions. Mopping up, je lave le sol. I wash the floor. Wiping down after our meal earlier, je nettoie la table. I clean the table. And vacuuming, je passe l'aspirateur. I pass the vacuum. I know chores aren't fun, but talking about them in French sure is.
Just like opening and closing doors earlier, here's another elegant set of opposites you'll use all the time around the house. J'allume la lampe means I turn on the lamp. Conversely, j'éteins la lampe is I turn off the lamp. It's a tiny action, but come on, we do it a dozen times a day.
Now for the good stuff. Section 5. Loisirs, hobbies and sports. Enjoying your free time.
When you finally get some downtime, what do? If you're artistic, je dessine, I draw. Love performing? Je chante, I sing. Or je danse, I dance. Just want to chill? Je regarde un film, I watch a film. J'écoute de la musique, I listen to music. Or je joue aux jeux vidéo, I play video games. Or maybe photography is your thing. Je prends des photos, I take photos.
Look at how this builds an action sequence for sports, logically connecting the game itself to the physical mechanics. Step 1, the game. Je joue au football, I play football. Step 2, the action. Je lance la balle, I throw the ball. Step 3, the reaction. J'attrape la balle, I catch the ball.
I love grouping these nature phrases together because it builds such a calming, cohesive scene. Picture it. Je marche dans le parc, I walk in the park. While you walk, je regarde les oiseaux, I watch the birds, and j'observe les insectes, I observe the insects. If you're gardening, je plante une fleur, I plant a flower. Or je ramasse les feuilles, I gather the leaves. And for a fresh snack, je cueille une pomme, I pick an apple.
We've reached the end of the day. Section 6. Le soir, evening and sleep. Winding down your French day.
Focus purely on this one simple, calming action. Je me repose. It just translates to I rest. Take a deep breath and say it with me. Je me repose. It is so important to be able to express unwinding after a busy day.
And we cap off our daily sequence right up to the moment we sleep. Je me couche tard means I go to bed late. But hey, if you're keeping good hours so you can wake up early again tomorrow, you might just say je me couche, I go to bed.
We've gone from waking up to eating, working around the house, playing, and finally resting. Now that you've got this beautifully structured toolkit, I challenge you. What does your typical day look like in French? String your new vocabulary together into your own unique daily narrative. Which phrases described your actual day today? Try speaking them out loud tonight, because mastering a language isn't just about memorizing random words. It's about translating your actual life, one action at a time. Until next time, keep living your day in French.